let's say we said we need Mr. Hassan. They loan Mr. Hassan. Maybe not loan us Mr. Hassan. Mr. Hassan. Who be Mr. Hassan? Who be this Mr. Hassan? For the first time in my life, these people back down. So he no be king again. He no be king. Now he's a leader. He no be king again. They don't show up, people. Ghanaians. What's in now use Ghanaians?
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. Nigerians crying and pleading with Ghanaians to please give them HASSAN AYARIGA for a day. According to them, Nigeria seriously need him. Guys, let's get right into it and I'll be right back.
Charlie, come, Charlie. Near boy. Who be Mr. Hassan? Who be this Mr. Hassan? I never hear of Mr. Hassan. Charlie, you should never hear of Mr. Hassan. We are here as Mr. Hassan, the capo, another Kofi.
Foreign minister.
Where we are is now, you should be careful of what he's saying so that he can move out of that room alive. You should stop lying.
Out of which room?
Where you are now.
In my studio.
Yes, you should be very careful.
Oh, there's a lot of security here. Oh, all my security people outside.
We don't care about that. You should stop misbehaving there.
But that's a threat.
Please.
You are threatening them.
That is not a threat.
You are threatening them, Hassan. You are threatening.
Listen to me.
I'm listening.
When you come and lie and say that your chief did not say that he has land, and on the video, it's there. I have sent you a video. When the chief said he bought 50 acres of land. He said he bought 50 acres of land. Today he said he did not buy land.
Okay, but if we said he bought land, and the man who has the land, if he says he didn't buy land, should we not leave it there?
What are you anyhow and think that you can come and sit down there and behave as if this country is for you? What do you mean? You people should be very careful in this country. You cannot sit down and talk as if this country is yours.
Hassan, you are very angry. Sorry.
I am very angry because of the way they are talking there. What do you mean? The man came here and said he's a king. He's not a king in Ghana.
He has agreed. He's not a king in Ghana. He's a leader of the Igbos.
But he was parading himself as a king.
Not anymore. He won't do that again.
Why can't you parade himself?
Hassan, hold it. Let me listen to the journalist. Hold on. Yes, talk. Hassan, hold on. Talk.
Hassan, whatever you are doing, you are saying, you are going about it, I think you have to take questions because it's not right, it's not fair. This is a human being who's working in Ghana here. He have a family here. The wife is a Ghanaian. The children are living here in Ghana. Initially, the man was calling himself king. At the blind side of the law, he didn't know that you cannot call yourself SJ because the king of the Igbo community in Ghana. Upon further consultation and question, we've now understood that you cannot be a king in Ghana. The man who swallowed the Peter coin is calling himself now the leader of the Igbo community in Ghana. I thought we should allow the sleeping dogs to lie. You cannot say that the man was arrested. How can you arrest somebody when you invited a person?
I agree with that, Hassan. Sleeping dogs should lie.
Of course, you have to make progress. You have to move on from this one.
You see, if the man...
For the first time in my life, these people back down. So he no be king again. He no be king. Now he's a leader. He no be king again. They don't show up, people. Ghanaians. What's in now use Ghanaians? Let's say we said we need Mr. Hassan. They loan Mr. Hassan. Maybe not loan us Mr. Hassan. Mr. Hassan. You know those people they say he changed new service. Say they spray new service. Shey na see that one. They don't give a new note service. You see say map be sharp. Yes, like map be sharp. Mr. Hassan, so Mr. Hassan the church say make that man if you want to come out of that place alive. They say where is that place where he Hey, so Ghana, as you are quiet, so you say, you are not quiet, you are yeah. I talk him now, so na broken bottle. Na the tear leg. Na don't tear leg. No. The man don't reverse. Say, he now na leader. He's not a leader. He's no longer a king. I beg, may we say find one Mr. Hassan who will help us teach these people lesson. Because if not, you say as a back down for that side of the hand. So we say we need Mr. Hassan. For comment section, I behave like Mr. Hassan.
Are not true. I can assure you that this is a sponsored blackmail, and some people,
No, it's important. Viewers must hear it.
some people want to destroy somebody's reputation. I know you are a very good politician, and you have your own reputation to protect. If tomorrow you begin to hear on social media things that you never did and things that you never imagined, or what you don't plan to do, that people are faking it all over the place against your name, I don't think you will be happy. What happened in this issue, I know that you said there is a video where Ezebigbo said he have acquired 50 acres of land. Yes, there is a video. If you play that video from the beginning to the end, you will then understand exactly what he was saying there. You know, a week after he had an encounter with the Ningo Pram chief, where this land was offered to him, with all the agreement made, he believed within himself that we have acquired that land. That was in 2013. If you check that video, his picture on that video and his picture of today, you will know it's an old video. He was much younger then. So 1 week after that encounter with Pram chief, where this land issue was discussed, he had a TV interview, a Crystal TV interview. And they asked him, you know, the person interviewing him asked him, what, now you have been made a chief over your people, Igbos living in Ghana, what is your plan? What do you plan to do for your people? So excitedly, he said, we have acquired 50 acres of land. But as a matter of fact, there was no transaction done on this very particular land issue. Please, as a senior citizen of Ghana, I want you to go deep down to investigate this matter and find out if there was, you are interrupting me, please, to find out if there was a transaction of this very particular land, my brother. So please, don't take this as a serious matter, because we might be misleading our youth on this very matter. Let's try to do further investigation. The Ningo Pram is just somewhere by the corner. We can quickly do our fact findings to be sure that if this happened truly or not. There was never a land acquired.
Okay.
To be very honest, my dear brother. Please.
Yes. So, Hassan, is it getting better?
Now let me talk to you.
Yes, he can hear you.
Right. Okay. I also want to let them understand that we in Ghana here, we are not against foreigners coming in Ghana. But we have a problem when people think that our sovereignty is theirs. We are trying as much as possible to protect our lands and to make sure that Ghana and Ghanaians live in peace and in harmony.
Guys, before I go on, first of all, I would like to apologize for, the background noise. Yeah, I have a school very close to my house, and now I think they are doing their practical, this drumming practical. So I'm so sorry about the background noise. Now, one thing I noticed about Ghanaians is that every Ghanaian have the interest of Ghana in his heart. Everybody just wants Ghana to continue being peaceful. Everybody, they are trying their possible best to see that Ghana is peaceful. And that's what is saving this very country, Ghana. They don't take chances from anybody. If you are in this country trying to take away their peace away from them, they no go agree. And that's one thing I love about Ghanaians. Hey, I wish we will have people like this in Nigeria. Then Nigeria is going to be a better place. But then, let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do you think Ghanaians are going to allow HASSAN Ayariga to go fix the problems Nigerians are having or not? Let me know in the comment section. Have a great day. Bye-bye.